welcome back to Musical Mondays. I'm afraid this is the end of season 1. I'm pretty sure that you had a great time watching us, so thank you so much for being part of all of this. We do want to give you more. Let us know in the comment section below if you do want a season 2. Of course, it all depends on your support and of course sponsors. So do not forget to subscribe to our Patreon account. In the meantime, we thought about giving you a little recap from all the performances we had on Musical Mondays. So we are starting off with your favorites, ranking at number 11, Journey to the Past from Anastasia.
Somewhere down this road, I know someone's waiting. Years of dreams just can't be wrong. Arms will open wide, I'll feel safe and wanted. Finally home where I belong. Well, starting now, I'm learning fast on this journey to the past.
And that was Cheryl Camilleri giving us a beautiful rendition of Journey to the Past. I am positive that if you did see the musical, that you got all the chills and all the pain that Anastasia was going through. I loved how Cheryl gave it her all. The expressions just made it feel so believable. So well done to you, Cheryl. We are going and moving on to number 10 with Play the Game from We Will Rock You.
Don't play hard to get. It's a free, free world. All you have to do is fall in love. Play the game. Everybody play the game of love, love.
And that was Martina Farrugia. What a performance, don't you think? I could feel all that power, all the sass oozing out of her through every line. If you agree, do let us know in the comment sections below. In the meantime, we are moving forward to number 9 with She Used to Be Mine from Waitress.
Just a little to bring back the fire in our eyes that's been gone but used to be mine. Used to be mine.
And that was Sarah Micallef Muscat. I have just one question for you guys. Did that number give you goosebumps? If it's a yes, let me know in the comment section below. If it's a no, well, I suggest you keep your opinion to yourself. I have one funny story that I would like to share with you guys when we first revealed this video. I actually want to get Rumen here. So Rumen, come over here. Rumen is actually the founder of the Bad Wolf, and he is the guy that, he actually does have a wolf.
It's not very wide shot.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I have to be low because it doesn't matter.
Yes, I'm sure. So as you can see, he is the guy that takes care of all the visuals for us. So how about you tell them the story?
When we were editing the video of She Used to Be Mine, and we had to obviously review it after we edited and exported, and I remember just how me and one of the editors, we were watching the video, and all of us obviously had goosebumps, and at the end I just turned around and we saw other people as well watching, and just everyone started clapping. It was such a good performance. I mean,
exactly. Sarah got a standing ovation, even through a screen. Exactly, through a screen. So well done to you, Sarah. An excellent performance indeed. Yeah. So thank you so much, Ru. We are moving forward with number 8.
Number 8, which is to the camera.
Give me 1 moment. Number 8. I forgot number 8. Evermore. From the musical. Actually, it's not even a musical. It is the movie Beauty and the Beast. Have a look.
Now I know she'll never leave me, even as she fades from view. She will still inspire me, be a part of everything I do. Wasting in my lonely tower, waiting by an open door.
And that was our very own Jeremy Grech, straight out of a fairy tale. It is always super nice to remember our childhood days, isn't it? But anyways, we are moving forward with number 7. I Know It's Today from Shrek the Musical.
There's a princess, any princess, take your pick, they're all like me. Not exactly, I'm still waiting. They're up living happily ever after. Better get here, I want love in seconds flat. No one needs these middle bits. Did I do that? Cut the villains, cut the vamping, cut this fairy tale, cut the perils and the pitfalls, cut the puppet and the whale, cut the curses, cut the monsters, keep the intro, cut the verses, and the waiting, the waiting, the waiting, the waiting, the waiting.
Yes, that was me. A very tired and exhausted version of me, but on the plus side, I did get this nice comment from Martina. We are moving forward to the very song which was only posted a week ago, Waving Through the Window, ranking at number 6. Have a look.
Always looking in, will I ever be more than I've always been? 'Cause I'm tapping on the glass, waving through a window. I try to speak, but nobody can hear, so I wait around for an answer to appear while I'm watching people pass, waving through a window. Can anybody see? Is anybody waving back at me?
And that was one of our youngest performers, Catania, who, in my opinion, played this number in a very raw and believable manner. In fact, the theme of the whole song is about feeling lonely and maybe even suffering from mental illnesses. May I remind you that this is also a call out to all you guys that do feel the same way, or if you do know anyone, please know that you are not alone. We hope that we did bring you some company through Musical Mondays every Monday, but there's always help available, especially there is a free helpline. Please do not hesitate to call that number or share it with someone who needs it. Make sure you make them hear you. And that is indeed the next number, ranking at number 5, Make Them Hear You from Ragtime the Musical.
Justice be demanded by 10 million righteous men. Make them hear you. When they hear you, I'll be near you again.
And that was Matthew Grech performing Ragtime for us. This was a number performed back in the 1920s. It is a song all about equality and adversity. Do let me know in the comment section below if you think that the theme of equality is still relevant to nowadays. Personally, I do believe that there are some things which we still need to work on. If you do, however, do feel free to share. It's always nice to have a discussion going on in the comment section below. In the meantime, we are moving forward to our rank number 4 with No Good Deed from the musical Wicked.
If that's all good deeds are, maybe that's the reason why no good deed goes unpunished. All helpful urges should be circumvented. No good deed goes unpunished. Sure, I meant well, look at what well men did. All right, enough, so be it then.
So that was Janice Debattista. Now, before anyone writes anything, even though the performance was very believable and Janice at times did sound like a witch, here is a reality check. She's not really a witch. She doesn't do magic and her skin doesn't magically turn to green. We are growing younger. To our teens, specifically our 17. From Heather's the Musical, here we go.
Maybe prom night, maybe dancing. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Can't we be 17? Is that so hard to do? If you could let me in, I could be good with you. Let us be 17.
And that was Kristina Despott. A fresh face to most of you, but definitely not a disappointment. So here we go at our final two, ranking in the second place with Watch What Happens from the musical Newsies.
It's a girl, how the hell is that even legal? Look, just go and get her. Not only that, there's a story behind the story. Thousands of children exploited, invisible. Speak up, take a stand, and there's someone to write about it. That's how things get better. Give life's little guy some ink, and when it dries, just watch what happens.
And that was Marelaine Formosa, once again, one of our very youngest members here at Musical Mondays. Boy, don't you think that she did make that song her own? If you like what you saw, do let us know in the comment section below. I am aware that many of you did not know about the musical Newsies, so if you managed to see the musical or maybe even research about it during our semi-lockdown, once again, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like us bringing to you new material, once again, do let us know. We are at the very end. I can't believe that the time has already run out and we are at number 1, and I am craving myself some vanilla ice cream from the musical She Loves Me.
Dear friend, I am so sorry about last night. Last night I was so nasty. Well, he deserved it, but even so, that George is not like this George. This is a new George that I don't know. Somehow it all reminds me of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde.
And that was Micallef performing Vanilla Ice Cream, your favorite number to date. We've gone through all of those videos. It's without a doubt that that was your number 1. Such a big voice in a small body, so well done to you, Micallef. Now that I'm here, I would like to encourage you to do follow our Facebook pages and our Instagram accounts, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be bringing you new material as much as we can, and we do in fact want to provide another season of Musical Mondays, but we cannot do it without your support. So I encourage you to go through the Patreon website, see what it is about, and give us all the support you can. Another way you can support us is also by sharing our content, liking our content, loving our content, and so on and so forth. I would like to take this opportunity to also thank our sponsors, most especially Powerhouse Audiovisuals and Events, for that great venue, the lighting, the setup, the LED screen. Thank you so very much. We could not have brought this quality for Musical Mondays without you. The Bad Wolf, of course, for all the visuals, the whole team going, zooming in, zooming out, being so patient with all those hours of filming and editing. So thank you once again. We have Squishlink, who has been a great support, especially in the near future. You'll get to know more about that very soon. And Afterglow Events with all the logistical support you could provide for Musical Mondays. I would like to give this huge thank you and a huge round of applause, especially if you are watching us. Big congratulations to our performers. They did an excellent job, each and every one of them, without any rehearsals. We were crazy to do something like this in the middle of a pandemic, but I can say that we truly worked miracles all together through Zoom calls and all the sanitizer the good Lord above could provide. I'll see you all very soon, hopefully at our next Kettle Club event. Ciao, ciao.